Okay, so my extruder got all clogged up, and these are my steps I use to unclog it. I got this wire, like it's like a jumper from like a do-it-yourself, uh, like computer board kit. Anyways, get any solid wire. The extruder's all heated up, and then I just poked it through, and the first couple times, it took a little bit of pushing, but I ended up finding out I could push the wire all the way up to maybe like a 1/4 inch from the very end, and I kind of just pushed back and forth. I couldn't push out the clog with that wire, so what I did is I got a drill bit, and I took the drill bit and just applied a lot of force and finally got it unclogged to where I could push through. Then I got the wire back out and did that whole floss thing. So then I got a piece of filament and decided just to push it through by hand, see how well everything was going, and kind of just test the pressure that it took. And it was surprisingly easy. Maybe for like the first inch of pushing it through, there was a little bit of resistance. But then it finally caught on and got all the gunk out. So if you can see it, I'll show you a little better in a second. But the very end of it, maybe the first inch, is all burnt looking, kind of blackish, brownish. So there you go, you can kind of see that kind of burnt. So then it was time to put back on the extruder, and I didn't cover out how to take it off, but it's just the reverse steps of what I'm doing here. So you just gotta push it back up into the hole from which it came, and there's only one bolt that holds it in place. It's pretty simple to take out and put back in. There's a little aluminum end stop up there. You can kind of see, just push it up all the way to that. And that's where the bolt goes. So from there, I just got my main stock filament and fed it into the machine. Once again, made sure that I could push it through by hand. It came out just fine. Once I was sure of that, I tightened back up the feeder. And then wanted to test out how well the machine pushed it out, and that went just fine as well. So, job complete. It was time to put on the nozzle, and I didn't clean it out all that much. I just put it in fingernail polish while I was trying to figure out the rest of the stuff, and it extruded just fine after I got it all tightened down. So then, just to make sure everything was still good, and once I put my nozzle back on, everything was still at the right height compared to the table, I started a new print, and it came out starting up, perfect. So here in a couple minutes when I finish doing the video on this next print, you'll get to see how it all turned out. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment, or any advice. And thank you to all my subscribers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.